Hello, inflatable fans. Been out for a paddle with Roadkill, and I thought while we're here, I'd do some safety vest tests. I've got 3 of mine with me. I want to see what they're like for buoyancy. Got the sun right in my eyes there. That's a bit better. I want to see what they're like for buoyancy. Let's give this a go, eh? The first one I'm going to do is this YAK vest. If you can see that, it's the high back 60. I like this, lots of pockets. One, mesh one there, another zippable pocket there. But what's it like in the water? Does it do the job? Let's find out.
Right then, there he goes. He's off in drink.
Oh, it's cold in here.
Hey, good buoyancy.
It is actually, yeah. The whole idea of these is to keep your head afloat in a high back. So yeah, it is good buoyancy. So I think that one's a pass. So is that pointing at me, Rob, or is it pointing at my chest? Do you know, he's the worst cameraman ever, is Rob. He just sort of like stares around and does this with camera.
I was looking at camera.
Right, okay. So this is the YAK High Back 60. If you like this video, you know what to do about liking and subscribing. If you stick around, coming up soon, there will be the Palm Meander, and can't remember what the name of the other one is. Cheers, thanks for watching. Right, press stop, just press record at the top.